On September 18, 1961, the plane that was carrying the Secretary General of the United Nations, Dag Hammarskjöld, crashed under mysterious circumstances in Central Africa. Hammarskjöld was on his way to a ceasefire negotiation during the Congo crisis. He was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize posthumously a few weeks later. Hammarskjöld and Erik Karlfeldt, Nobel winner in literature 1931, are the only two laureates to have received the prize posthumously before the Nobel Foundation changed its status in 1974 to establish that no longer may the prize be awarded to a deceased person. After 1974, candidates need to be alive at the time of the announcement during the first week of October, although they may still be awarded if they die between the announcement and the ceremony in December. There was an exception to this in 2011 when the Nobel Assembly of the Karolinska Institute awarded one half of the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine to Ralph Steinman for his discoveries on dendritic cells without knowing that Steinman had died 3 days earlier. This created a complication, and it was a matter of intense debate, particularly in the Swedish tabloids, who speculated that the award would be withdrawn. In the end, the foundation determined that the award would be allowed, since the Nobel Assembly had no knowledge of Steinman's death at the time they made the announcement. Thanks for watching this series, and stay tuned for more news on Nobel in Africa.